If you want to see the Google Forms you submitted, start by ensuring that the form allows response receipts or summary views. Open the email account you used to submit the form and search for a confirmation email from Google Forms. If the form owner enabled response receipts, you'll find a copy of your submission in your inbox. If no email receipt was sent, revisit the original form link. Sometimes, forms allow respondents to view their previously submitted responses. On the form page, look for a message like "You've already responded" or a button labeled "View your responses." Click on it to review your submission. Keep in mind that viewing submissions depends on the form settings chosen by the owner. If neither an email nor submission review option is available, you'll need to contact the form owner directly to request a copy of your responses.